Today, I'm going to show you another option for coding. Many of you have been using Tynker, and although you like Tynker, you're getting bored with the options that it offers. So today, I'm going to be able to show you another option you have for coding and making new projects. First thing you're going to do to set up your account is find your home page, which should be our Steam page. When you have this open on your home screen, you're going to click Fun Links. You're going to find the link to Scratch. Scratch is a different coding program. It works similarly to Tynker, but it offers you a little more freedom and options for projects. Once you are in the Scratch program, you're going to click Join Scratch. You need to come up with a username. Now it says don't use your real name, so you can use a nickname or something that has a number in it, because a lot of times there's so many free Scratch accounts that your username might be used up. So for me, I'm going to try SP Penguins for South Park Penguins. And then for my password, I'm going to use my school password. So your password should be your animal and number that you use every day to log into your Chromebooks. And then you're going to type it one more time, your animal and your number. And then you're going to click Next. Now it says your responses to these questions will be kept private. So it says birth month and year. I'm going to pretend that I was born in 2007. So I'm going to say I was born in January of 2007. And I'm a female, and I was born in I live in the United States. Then I'm going to click Next. It says enter your parents' or guardian's email address, and we will send them an email confirmation to this account. I'm going to ask that you put in my email address so that I can authorize you to use this. As many of you know, my email address at school is aleone@dps109.org. So you're going to click it once, and then you're going to type it again. You don't need to receive updates from the Scratch team. Then you're going to be clicking Next. It says, welcome to Scratch, SP Penguins. You're now logged in. You can start exploring and creating projects. If you want to share and comment, simply click the link in the email we sent you, and I'm going to be able to do that for you. So it says, okay, let's go. Once we get in here, you're going to be able to start with the creating. So if you click Create, now some of you may or may not have to activate Adobe Flash Player. And we're going to click Allow. And then the program's going to come up. Now, for those of you that have been using Tynker, much of it looks the same. It has scripts, which is the motions that it wants. It has costumes, where you can change what the sprite is wearing. And then it has sounds, all of the things that we've been practicing on Tynker. But it gives you a little more freedom to be able to design it the way that you want. So the first thing you can do is you can look at the sprite and decide if you want to pick something different. Lots of different options. As many of you know, I like soccer and have lots of kids in my family that play soccer. So I'm going to just click the soccer ball. But you can scroll down and look at all of the different options. I can add my soccer ball now to the screen. Now I have the kitty and my soccer ball. Then I'm going to be able to pick my motions. Okay, as you can see, it has lots of different ways to move. Then I can also add things that it says I can do different sounds. There's a pen I can use to change colors. I can add data to make the items end up in a specific spot. There are different events, controls, different ways for it to sense things, operation, and then random blocks. This is where I would change costumes, and then this is where I would add sounds. As you can see, there are a few more options than when using Tynker. I hope that you will be able to try it out and make a really cool project. I think you will like using this even more than Tynker.